Hey guys, when you're cooking goat meat, you want to make sure like you get rid of the smell very well. Here I have some goat head and some goat legs. So you want to make sure you squeeze some lime juice, and you can also use the leaves like that you're not using to season the meat. You can put it in the boiling water. So you want a very hot boiling water with some lime and leeks. So what you do, you squeeze the lime juice out, and then you just leave it. You just put the rest in the water. Okay, and you want it to be hot. You want to add some salt, and this will make your goat milk get rid of the like strong scent, because it's not pleasant at all. It's a big turnoff when you're eating goat meat and you smell like goat. All right. Hey guys, in this video I'm making goat meat. That's one of my favorite meat. So first thing you have to do, you have to put it in hot water. So I'm taking it out of hot water and putting some of the grandma's sauce on it. It's my marinade, and now it's available for sale. This is all natural. This is gonna make this really good. A little bit more. Now guys, I just put the grandma sauce on there. It smells delicious already. I don't know if you love goat meat. Goat meat, you need to have some good seasoning, otherwise the food, it's not gonna taste right. You need a lot of good spices to hide all that strong smell it has, and grandma sauce is perfect for that. And it's available that you guys can order online. I'll post the link at the end of the video. But that's it. That's how easy it was. You just put that grandma, just boil the meat, and then put that grandma sauce on it, and then that's it. We'll have some delicious goat meat. The goat meat is cooking, guys, and it smells so delicious. Now guys, I'm going to add some water. Now guys, I'm making the sauce. I'm gonna add some butter, and I put some thyme, and then I'm gonna add some onions. Now I don't eat tomato paste. I don't put tomato paste in my food. So, but you can, like with the grandma sauce, it will give your sauce a nice color. As you can see, it's not like whitish. It's more, you know, it gives it a nice color. And it smells so good. I'm just gonna let this cook for another 10 to 15. This is the final stage of the video on how to make goat a Haitian way. This is so delicious. Again, this was made with grandma sauce. It's all natural, no preservative. And it's delicious. So delicious. So good. This is my kind of food. I don't like to be eating rice all the time. I like plantain. I love goat meat. And you can use it with goat meat, cock, seafood, fish.